one is a little more modern design. Grab and it pulls it all open. The entire bag is shockproof. Compartments, again, a very, very, very thick padding, adjustable. You've got a very deep pocket, super deep. It comes with a rain hoodie. This is also designed for a 15.6 laptop. Right here, this is where your laptop goes to hold your Mavic drone. They did provide you with a case. Plenty of space for your Mavic, your batteries, and your DSLR cameras, and all the gear that you possibly need. This bag is just brilliantly designed. It is super modern. It's 17 inches tall by 12.5 by 6.2. Tripod mount, go right in here. The straps are adjustable. Oh, that's all right. There is an additional pocket here. So you open this pocket up and you can put the bottom feet of the tripod in here so it doesn't dangle. That's a really nice touch. We are using a Dynex Professional 60-inch tripod. Okay, the 3 won't go in, but 2 will. You will strap this in. So there you go. It's nice, right, tucked in the bag here. You really only need 1 strap, but it does come with 2. I like how quickly you can just adjust these straps. All right, so here is the actual backpack. You can see how nicely it sits in there. 2 adjustable straps, perfect, I love it. So far, it is a winner in my books. Now, a very important thing is every backpack should be accessible from the back. So the padding here, they're breathable. You can see it's got scores to make sure that the airflow is continuous throughout the back. The straps are very light. They're not as thick quality as perhaps the BAGSMART ones. You can see there's a lot more durability over this. This doesn't really have it. Let's go into the compartment itself now. So the zipper are very thick zippers. So far the bag is extremely light. The bottom does not have any rubber stands. The materials are nylon, that is durable, but I wish there was some sort of a leather base in case you put it on the rock or some dirt, you won't mess it up. Access to the compartments is from behind, so if all your expensive gear is in the bag, you can rest assured that as long as it's on your back, it's not going to be stolen. Now, there's quite a lot of padding here. What I like right away is right here, this is where your laptop goes. There are these rubbery straps right here. They'll clip right over the laptops. In many of the previous bags, the laptop compartment is located and accessed from the front. There is one additional compartment, but it's sealed with these belts here. An additional zipper that will reveal more pockets. Here is where we could put your passports, your paperwork, perhaps some pens, pamphlets. This is only a zipper that protects all these items from falling out. So very, very cool. I love this bag, especially I think this is our winner. So now we are approaching the inside of the backpack. Now this is some really thick plastic that's here to make sure that all the components on the inside are protected. Kind of see-through, but this is very heavy duty plastic. So there is a pull tab right here that you can just grab and it pulls it all open. So that's nice and quick. It comes with a rain hoodie. There is an additional case that they provided you with that is stored right here on the top, and this top is also accessible from the very top. So if we are closing the bag, these 2 clasps, you can see they just come undone, but they reveal this compartment here. This compartment can serve as a quick release for perhaps your DSLR, or they did provide you with a case. This compartment that holds your Mavic and your case can be used for your clothes. There's a mesh, so if you want to put your memory cards, some cables, there's also an additional zipper here, and this goes nicely in here. Compartments, again, a very, very, very thick padding, adjustable. You've got a very deep pocket, super deep. In comparison to this bag, if we compare the BAGSMART bag pockets with these pockets, these are even more quality and thick than the previous one.